Hey guys, welcome back and congratulations. In this video, I am going to show you a step-by-step process on how to edit a screen-recorded video from scratch using Wondershare Filmora. Are you a video creator or even a novice in video editing? Do you have some recorded video footage that needs to be edited? Thanks to the video editing tools we have available like Wondershare Filmora, you don't have to hire a video editor, nor do you have to worry about how to bring sight and sound together when hired as a freelance video editor. Hi, my name is Madzi Ezek Chinedu at Bagzanet Productions. I create and edit educational content that will help you to grow and improve your skills, and then finally help you to make money online, and not just to put money into my pocket. Ultimately, this tutorial presents beginners with video editing lessons. It is offered to non-computer science major. The main objective of this tutorial is to introduce students to the field of video editing, keep them engaged, and then perhaps spark up their interest in the field as well. So guys, let's get creative with Skillshare. Click on the first link in the description below to access this wonderful tutorial, and then finally find the quickest and easiest way to bring sight and sound together as a beginner video editor, with the main aim of telling a cohesive story that is visually pleasing and clearly presented. Additionally, you may also consider this tutorial to be an introduction and guide to this exciting field for complete beginners. Again, this tutorial is packed with students' projects, and it is expected that with this students' projects, learners will have to do these projects so that they can actually learn and retain their skills. So if you are looking for a quick and professional way to master video editing from scratch as a beginner, then this tutorial is definitely for you. Alright guys, now that you know where and how to get started with video editing, kindly click on the first link in the description below to learn creative skills in order to achieve your personal and professional goals. Do well to grab this tutorial, guys. It's almost completely free and highly beneficial to you as a beginner video editor. Click on the links below to get started. Plus, at the end of this course, learners are expected to engage themselves during the class exercise with some screen-recorded videos, presumably sent to them by the programming instructor that teaches how to design a Yum Eat app, which is a quick food delivery app.